look who it is. It's my Uber.
Yeah. I'm paying for his taco.
Hey, I paid for your food the other day.
Yeah, you did.
But then I paid for her McDonald's too that day.
Yeah, my cookies and they were good.
Hey guys, Connor here. I'm with my Uber. This is my Uber. Wait, what?
Yeah, my name's Miranda.
Stop. We're going to get the best tacos ever.
Literally.
Like, you don't understand. Forget Mexican restaurants. We haven't been to a Mexican restaurant ever since.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no money.
Have you noticed that? Sometimes Jessica will call me and like, let's go get some tacos at Rio Grande.
Yeah,
but
because you know they're 99 cents and these tacos are like $3 a piece.
Actually, the whole dollar deal thing at Rio Grande actually is a lie. They're like, you have to buy soda.
Yeah,
and that's like some
$2,
$2, basically $3.
Yeah.
Guys, these are what the tacos look like. Tell me that doesn't look good. And they're delicious. Well,
here we are.
Oh, we're here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, but we're here. This is today's video. And today's video is us getting tacos. Because when are we not getting food?
Right here. You better believe
when are we not ever getting food?
and
is the question.
Right up there.
Where's he at? Update. We got our tacos. We ate them. They were delicious. We couldn't film them because we were too hungry. Wait, what? That made no sense. I'm sitting here in the car waiting for Jessica as she takes her sweet little time. I have to be at Kayla's house, like right now to get a haircut. Her mom's cutting my hair, but no, I have to wait for Jessica. Here she comes, finally. 5 years later. She's like, I'm taking my sweet little time. I hope she falls. That'll be so funny. She's crazy. 5 years later. Can they hear?
It smells like here.
What?
It smells awful.
I swear to God, I didn't fart.
Open the door.
I was to say.
Smell outside for a second. Now bring it back in here.
I didn't fart.
You want to know something funny?
I thought
Margaret bought Cassidy a bird today. Are you recording?
And it died.
As soon as they got home, it flew out the window.
Stop! Oh, God! That made my day. Hey guys, I'm here. Hi, Slee, say hello.
Hi.
She usually don't like be on camera,
No,
but
no,
she's doing my hair because it's long and it needs to go. Bye-bye. I'm drinking tea. Delicious. Guys, did Isley do an amazing job? Look at that.
10?
7.
You did a great job.
Thanks.
Anything you have to say?
Trying.
Look at this.
What if I spray this in your eyes?
You would. You like Merry Christmas? Wait, what? Merry Christmas? I don't know why I said Merry Christmas. If you like this video, thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. I post videos every Saturday, Sunday. And comment down below what you want to see next. This video is still random. Okay, bye.